Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tori if you're new here, and today I am going to be bringing you some easy and very tasty summer sides. I'm excited because this video is hosted by Tamara over at Southern Wife Everyday Life and Vanessa over at Vanessa White Randomness. I will link everything that you need in the description box below, and I will link the playlist. So if you finish my video and if you have time, a lot of other creators are going to be sharing some super easy, tasty summer sides, and I know you will get some really amazing inspiration from them. So make sure to check that out as well, and make sure to tell them that I sent you if you are new to their channels. If you are new here, hi, hello, my name is Tori. I am a wife and mother. We live in northern Colorado, and we like to share videos about recipes, all of the food that we love to eat. I am vegan and my family eats the standard American diet, so I show you how to do that on a budget and make your life a little easier in the kitchen. We like to share day in the lives and just about anything. We love family style content, and we would love it if you became part of our YouTube family. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you have not already. As always, all of these recipes will be typed out in the description box down below. And if you are excited, let's get right into the video. Tonight we are making a summer side dish. We are going to do some Greek-inspired falafel wraps. So we just have over here the ingredients. We have some flatbread that I got from Target, whole wheat. I have some mayo spread. This is just plant-based mayo. It's super tasty, so it doesn't have egg. We have red onion, some cucumber, tomato, falafels. You can just buy those at Target. It comes with a tahini sauce, but I'm not the biggest fan, so I'm not going to use those. And then I have some arugula. I have some dill, oregano leaves, and then I'm going to squirt some lemon on top of all of this. If you are new here, we do really like to keep it pretty simple, so this is all I'm going to need. I'm going to roll them up and cut them into little pinwheels with a toothpick and serve them like I would at a picnic.
When we were young, running from all things at once, without thinking twice. And I knew it would catch up, and that we would be the ones left behind. The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. And this road that I am on, I gotta stay here for some time. Time is gone and I grew up. I somehow made it through without losing.
All right, for our second summer side, we're gonna do some Caprese pasta salad minus the mozzarella. You're welcome to add that if you wanted. I've put salami in there for everybody, but this is really easy and relatively healthy. So over here we have some red onions and cherry tomatoes. We just have some rotini pasta that I cooked up. I cook my pasta for 10 minutes when I'm making cold salads like this. That way they can marinate overnight. So it's a little al dente. If you want it to be that way, fine, but you could cook your pasta however you want. I have some corn over here. And then for herbs, I have basil, oregano, and then 2 cloves of garlic. This is just roughly chopped. And then I'm just gonna season it with some olive oil and balsamic vinegar and allow it to marinate overnight.
It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep, 'cause I'm not tired. I'm thinking about the days we used to shine when we were young. I told you that we should start a band and reach for the sky. It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep. I'm just not tired. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside and I kind of feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you.
Alrighty, my friends, that is going to do it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed all of these amazing, tasty summer side dishes. They are healthy for you, they are budget friendly, and I can't wait to hear if you try them out in your kitchen. Don't forget that this video was hosted by Tamra and Vanessa, so head on over to their channels and check out all of their amazing food content. And I will link that playlist down below. So after you're done here, head on over to the playlist and check out some more recipes for some inspiration on some really, really tasty summer sides. There are so many different creators in that playlist, so you are going to find a variety of sides. I know there is going to be something for you in there. Alrighty, I am going to wrap it up there. As always, stay adventurous, stay creative, and I will see you next time, y'all. Bye.